Oh girl, here she go again. The fur persona has put some braids in her head. If y'all interested in watching to see how she did it, just keep on looking. Alright, bye. Hey y'all, in today's video I am doing some box braids. I have did this style before. I really like the way these turned out because of the way I parted. If you're new here, welcome to the Fur Persona, where I just show my different personas. I have naturally thin hair, and I share styles that I do, and how to take care of my, low density, very fine hair. I'm showing you the width that I use, and using your index finger is a great way to get the same size every time. I'm using Spectra, and this is purple, number 2, and blue. The hair comes pre-stretched, ready to go. If you think you may be irritated, you can definitely vinegar rinse it. I don't see the need. I'm using Shiny Jam to sleek my hair and some second touchdown edge control. I also used a little bit of wax, and that's just to help my hair melt into the weave. Now when you have fine hair, you really don't have that problem. You don't have to braid your hair all the way down, but this technique really helps that slippage problem. And here I'm just sharing how I do this. I can braid really quickly, so it takes me, there's a little piece of hair sticking out, so I'm going to fix that with some more wax or edge control, whichever I decided to use. So, and it's still sticking out, but oh well, it melted in eventually. Yeah, but I just show up close there how I place my fingers. I know it may seem weird, but that's how I do it. Let me know how your year has been going for anyone that's been here for a while. Mine has been going great. It's the busy season for me at work. It's tax season, so I tend to be very distant during this time just because the level of, I'm not even going to say stress, it's just like, it's a lot. You know, everybody's adamant, and I just pray that one day everyone actually learn how income taxes actually work. You know, you give the government interest-free loans on your money for 365 days, and then we become very adamant when we file that tax return and start getting very frustrated, all because we're ignorant and we don't know how things work. I think I'm gonna start teaching a class. I always say that, but it's just time consuming to do that. And then you have people that want to argue with you. I've worked with income tax for 8 years, and the level of ignorance is baffling. They really should teach it in school. Really should. I feel sorry for a lot of people because they just don't know. It's not my job to educate, it's my job to process and collect and issue out what's overpaid. That's what it is to me. As you see, I'm continuing to use my index finger, and when it's not enough, you're just going to grab a little more hair. And when you put this on, it's best to have that needle closed so you won't snag your hair. I'm going to zoom you in and just kind of show you just a plait. Remember when your mom or your caregiver used to plait your hair? That's all these are to me. I have been doing these a lot on Zion's hair, helping her hair grow back. I had to cut a lot of it off. Just very dry and brittle. She never really had a lot of hair in the back of her head. When she was born, it was like a undercut, just clean in the back. I mean, like naked. Little peach fuzz. All of her hair was in the top. So I'm trying to get that back to grow in. So I cut the front quite a bit. Then a lot of it kind of just had broke off. So we're working on getting her hair back to health. It's doing great. And when you're wearing braids, just keep your hair moisturized. And in summer, it's awesome to just keep your hair wet. I keep my hair wet all summer. Our hair needs water to grow and stay fruitful and be soft. But just let me know what you guys think. I appreciate you hanging in. I am on a road to get to 5,000 subs. I'm ready to reach that milestone. I'm going to do something very great once I get there. I think I may have like some giveaway or some celebratory type deal once I reach that milestone. That's one milestone I've been wanting to reach. Like I said, I'm very active on TikTok. I stay over there quite a bit because it's so much easier. You don't have to do a lot of editing and stuff. You can just post raw footage and still get a lot of feedback and support. So I like TikTok quite a bit. I hated it at first because I thought it was stupid. Yeah, definitely check it out if you don't have it. You can find out a lot of great information. Alright, this is the finished touch. This is just a quick video. I know I have done this multiple times on my channel, but I just wanted to share a different color. This is purple and blue that I have in there. The purple and the blue honestly almost look the same to me. And I have some eyelashes that I showed on one of these hauls, and my eyes just go down like this and I make them go cat eye-ish. And I have on some of my favorite lip gloss, that NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in Marine or Madeline something. I don't know what it is. If you want to know, just ask and I'll try to pronounce it or type it on here somewhere. The length is about right there. Should say to the butt. Black History Month. You know what I'm saying? Say it loud. I'm black and I'm proud. I always try to represent to my people. But anyway, I sure appreciate you guys watching. If you want to see more content like this, just hang around, hit the subscribe button, or just put me on your watch list so you can remember to come back and watch. Watch time equals mo. But watch time is what you want when it comes to YouTube. Not necessarily the subs, because your subs is just a small percentage of your views, and that is crazy. This battery is blinking at me. I'm gonna pop this in the bun for you right quick. You can see how it looks. Hopefully the battery won't die. Use one of these. If it does, I'll just do it again another day. Hopefully it won't. Give me at least 5 seconds. Okay. You just want to roll it. I don't have a mirror, so I'm using a viewfinder as the mirror. Looking up, that's what I'm doing. There we go. Quick little bun. And this is how I wear it, you know, 100% of the time. Especially at work, because it just be in the way, swing it all down. Now, if I was going somewhere, I would definitely wear it down. But this is the little bun I like to wear right there. You see, my hair is still kind of gappy right there. I try not to put any tension right there. That's why I parted it in that deep side part like I did. But I sure appreciate you guys hanging around. Just bear with me this year. But yeah, definitely follow me on TikTok, because I'm going to be more active over there than I am on here, because it's easier. You know, you don't have to do all that editing and stuff. So yeah, but I'll still come here. I'm going to try to post at least 4 videos a month. That's my goal. I actually have a list of what to do. So over here, this is my Bible of content with all those stickies. It's just idea after idea or video after video that I write down. So I have like 3 years of work I'm not gonna say 3 years. I'm gonna say 365 days of work. If I want to do something every single day out of here, I could definitely do it. It's just time, you know, full-time mom, full-time job, full-time life. So yeah, YouTube is just a hobby for now. Hopefully it turns into more bank so sister can get out of debt. That's my goal. I know I always say that. You have to speak it into the existence. So I'm all about that. You know, stay motivated, stay blessed and highly favored. And hey, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in again. Check it out. Bye.